Let's see it. Lined up. Good job. Very good. You rock. Line up good with it so you can hit a far one. Line up really good. There you go. Get them pans up. There you go.
I'll do it only if my pants will stay up.
Okay, go for it. Good job.
I've got a pink ball in here too.
Okay.
I'm not using it.
Okay.
I'm using it at the very end.
Okay.
Because I want to save it.
Alright, you better hurry. The sun's going to go down. Whoa. Try again. Watch that ball. Line up good and watch it.